Hi and welcome to the myITChap video blog episode 1. Today we're talking about CCleaner for Mac. It's fairly new out there. A lot of people may not have known about it unless you've been a regular user of CCleaner for Windows. Ease of operation is very good. It is really good to work with. It is handy for cleaning out the temporary files on your Mac, completely uninstalling applications, apps as well, as we'll see very, very shortly. Let's start taking a look at installing it. Okay, so CCleaner is relatively easy to install directly through the Mac App Store. If you have an Apple ID, go grab it there. I don't know whether you can actually still download it from the Piriform website. I didn't actually have a look at that. I will correct myself later on. But so it's very easy to download. It is free to download. It does not cost anything at all. So let's have a look at its operation. What we've got here is the ability to clean out temporary files in Safari, things like the system, like it'll empty all recent documents out of the lists, empty out recent applications out of the recent applications list, which is found up here. Is it up here? The recent items there. So just empty all of those out. Recent server lists, I generally leave that unchecked. It will default as checked. You can deselect any of these if you don't want them to run. If you don't want to take them out, like logs or directory services case, recent places. If you want to keep cookies in Safari, for instance, uncheck that. You'll see me uncheck very shortly before we run this. The one in Chrome does some system cleanup stuff as well. Over on the applications, Firefox, I'm going to take out cookies on that one because I use Firefox and Chrome regularly, so they can both, the cookies I generally take out, I only clean those once a month. Actually, we are up to doing a monthly clean on those, so let's just clean them out anyway and start again. It'll clean out various sort of library stuff and bits and pieces in the background. We actually see what it will clean out in a minute by just going and clicking analyze. It'll analyze what needs to be cleaned out, what we've selected, what we've taken out. And as you can see, we've got an internet cache. It's going to clean out a heck of a lot there. It's files there, Google Chrome. Yeah, should have a lot there because Chrome's my major browser. So as I said, that's the basic operation of it. That's basically choose what you want. It'll default to roughly what you see here. Very easy, nice and easy to use. Once you've selected what you want to remove or unselected what you don't want to remove or added in downloads, be careful of the font registry cache under system. Do not use it unless you desperately have to clean out fonts, because some programs may misbehave and require reinstallation. But as you can see, we've got a lot to clean out here. We've clicked Analyze. It's analyzed. It's given us the analysis report for everything we've selected. We're now going to run Cleaner itself and do a simple cleanup. Okay, over on Tools, you've got the ability to uninstall applications. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In shooting this little video blog, which we've edited out, we had a mass failure. As you can see, I've got Feeder selected there. I don't know how well this uninstall part works because it keeps on saying I have not got permissions to uninstall. You've got the ability to basically verify disk permissions, which I've just started this, so it should run it through, but it could take a couple of minutes to run through. And we'll come back once it's finished. Okay, so we finished the disk permissions verify in about 5 minutes. We thought we'd just not let you sit there and wait for me to go down. You can also erase free space. These I wouldn't bother really for the general user using. Uninstall, as I said, may not function even at all. We had some issues and some fun games with that one. But as for this, it functioned as should have. We freed up over 2 gig of space. And that virtually wraps up a little quick look at CCleaner. If you've got a sluggish Mac, go try it. Or if your hard drive seems to be getting full and you can't seem to clear it out by getting rid of unneeded documents and archiving them off to an external drive or things like that, have a look at CCleaner and see if it actually does do the job for you. So thank you very much and bye for now.